Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something absolutely fire on the table, a brand new 2022 Panini Select Football Blaster Box. Select is hands down one of the most hyped sets of the entire year, famous for those legendary die cuts, extremely rare retail prisms, and of course the ultimate hunt for the top rookie QBs in this class. We're not going to waste any time, let's slice right into this seal. Who are we hunting today? Obviously, we're looking for Kenny Pickett, Malik Willis, and those big-time defensive playmakers. This box promises us 3 exclusive blaster prisms or die cuts, and I cannot wait to see what's waiting for us in these 6 packs. All right, here we go. 6 beautiful fat packs. We are kicking things off right away with pack number 1. The cardstock feels incredibly premium, as always. And boom, the first pull doesn't make us wait. We start off with a solid one, a Cole Strange rookie card for the New England Patriots, a beast of a lineman for the base PC. Right behind him, we got Christian Harris from the Houston Texans. Oh my God, guys, look at that! A Kenny Pickett future rookie card in the very first pack. Let's go! This is exactly why we rip these boxes, man. Pickett has massive potential in the hobby community right now, and this future insert design is just flawless. The typography, the action shot in that Steelers uniform, that gorgeous silver finish, this is an absolute dream for any collector. What a crazy start to this opening. The second pack is already open. You've seen the first cards. This box is staying red hot. Next up, we pull a beautiful DJ Moore multicolor prism die cut. Those wavy edges and that dynamic rainbow colorway make select cards instantly recognizable. Such a sick card. The first 2 packs are done. There were some hits, and now we're hoping things keep going that way. Let's dive right into the third pack. We're starting with the Broncos and QB Russell Wilson. Along with that, we got a clean Nakobe Dean rookie card for the Philadelphia Eagles. These first few packs absolutely delivered, but this box is just getting started. We still got the rest of the packs sitting on the table, and the absolute heavyweight hits are still ahead of us. We are rolling right along with the second half of our Select Blaster box. We already pulled an insane Kenny Pickett card, but we want more. The hunt does not stop. Pack number 4, let's rip it. Flipping through the cards, and we hit Kyle Pitts of the Atlanta Falcons. Right behind him, we're hiding a certified star QB, Tua Tagovailoa in that stylish aqua look for the Miami Dolphins. Check out this spectacular pull, a Deshaun Watson prism in the classic Cleveland Browns colors. The shimmer on this card under the studio lights is completely nuts. That blend of gold, green, and orange on that Optichrome background makes these parallels absolute eye candy. Moving on to the next pack, and the rookie quarterbacks just keep coming. As with all packs, the cards in Select 2022 are upside down. Let's start with the Vikings. Here is a Sam Howell rookie card for the Washington Commanders. Howell has a super loyal fan base in the hobby, and his rookie cards are still highly sought after. Right after that, we get a fantastic numbers insert card of Stefon Diggs in that Buffalo Bills jersey. And to close out the defense in this pack, we pull a striking Kingsley Enagbare rookie card for the Green Bay Packers in that beautiful silver finish. Last pack, last chance for the big hit. So keep your fingers crossed for us, and feel free to hit that subscribe button too. It's a great way to support me, completely free of charge. But anyway, let's dive into the pack. Here we go. Last pack mojo. Oh wow, an absolute highlight. We skimmed through a Sam Darnold in a Panthers jersey and an extremely clean Jermaine Johnson rookie card for the New York Jets. And for the grand finale, we get a flashy Zona Van Knight rookie card also for the Jets in that toxic green prism parallel. What an unbelievable finish. For all you NFC North fans, a Justin Fields card for the Chicago Bears. This design frames him perfectly. Let's take one last look at the entire haul proudly shining on the stands. This 2022 Panini Select Blaster Box was a massive W. That mega Kenny Pickett pull, the non-stop rookie QBs, and those beautiful die cuts made this rip unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future break. Let me know in the comments which card was your favorite. Until next time, appreciate you guys watching, peace out, and happy breaking.